In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the parallax effect on Wix Studio. The parallax effect is a fantastic visual feature that adds depth and motion to your website, making it more dynamic and engaging for your visitors. If you've ever scrolled through a website where the background seems to move slower than the foreground, that's the parallax effect in action. It's a subtle yet powerful tool that can elevate the look and feel of your site. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, I'll guide you step by step through the process so you can master this feature with ease. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to log into your Wix Studio account. Go to the Wix Studio homepage and click on the Login button. If your account is connected to Google, you can use the Continue with Google option for a quick and seamless sign-in. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Wix Studio dashboard where all your projects are displayed. From here, open the editor for the project you want to work on. This is where we'll be making all the magic happen. Now that you're in the editor, let's start by adding a new cell to your workspace. To do this, look for the Add Cell button and click on it. This will create a blank space where you can insert and arrange elements for your design. For a clean, professional look, position the new cell by choosing the To Right option. This will align the cell to the right side of your workspace, ensuring a visually appealing layout. Next, it's time to add an image to your cell. Inside the new cell, you'll notice a small plus icon. Go ahead and click on it to open the element menu. From the list of options, select Image. This will place a default image into your new cell. Once the image appears, you can adjust its size and position to fit your design concept. Simply click and drag the corners of the image to resize it, and use the positioning tools to align it just the way you want. Now, let's customize the image. Click directly on the image itself, and you'll see options to upload a new image or select one from the Wix gallery. If you have a specific image in mind, upload it from your computer. Alternatively, feel free to browse through Wix's extensive gallery to find the perfect visual for your design. Once you've chosen or uploaded your image, don't forget to click the Update button. This ensures that all your changes are saved and applied. With your image in place, it's time to add some movement. Locate the animation icon in your editor. It usually looks like a small motion-related symbol. Click on it to open the animation menu, where you'll find various effects to bring your design to life. From this menu, select the Scroll option. This is where the parallax magic begins. After selecting Scroll, you'll need to identify the image that you want to animate. Click on Add, then choose the option for Cell. This tells Wix Studio that you want to apply animation to the image inside your newly created cell. Finally, from the animation options, select Parallax. Once you click on it, the effect will be applied to your image, creating that beautiful layered movement as visitors scroll through your site. And there you have it. You've successfully added the parallax effect to your image in Wix Studio. Take a moment to preview your work and see the effect in action. If you need to make any adjustments, simply return to the editor and fine-tune the settings to your liking. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.